Have you ever took a quick walk around the park and wondered what would happen if every single person on Earth decided to jump at the exact same time? Sounds like a wild idea, right? Let's break it down and see what would really happen if the whole world jumped at once. First, let's set up the stage. There are about 8 billion people on the planet right now. If you all gathered in one place, say a giant flat plain, we'd cover about 700 square miles, roughly the size of Houston, Texas. Now let's imagine this massive crowd of humanity synchronized to jump at the exact same time. Here's what happens: as we all push off the ground, the Earth experiences an equal and opposite reaction as described by Newton's third law of motion. But don't expect the planet to go flying through space. It's really heavy, like 6 sextillion tons heavy, which is 6 with 21 zeros behind it. Compared to that, our combined jump barely moves the needle. The Earth would move about 100 the width of hydrogen atom. But wait, it's not about the jump, it's about what happens when we all come back crashing back down. The combined force of 8 billion people landing together would create a seismic wave. In terms of energy, it would be roughly equivalent to magnitude 4 earthquake. But don't worry, your house probably won't collapse. Earthquakes of this size are common and most buildings are designed to handle them. Fun fact, if people on the moon were watching us, they might not even notice. The Earth's mass is so enormous compared to our collective jumping power that it would barely look like a blip. Moreover, when we land, apart from sore knees and small earthquake, the real action might be in the air above us. The sheer force of 8 billion people jumping and landing together would send a massive compression wave rippling through the atmosphere. This wave wouldn't exactly knock planes out of the sky, but it could create a brief, detectable pressure anomaly. Think of it as global hiccup for the atmosphere, and let's not forget the sound. Imagine the synchronized boom of billions of shoes hitting the ground. But now let's get serious for a moment. Organizing such a jump would come with some risks. People in densely packed areas could get hurt in the chaos, and the logistics of gathering 8 billion people in one place wouldn't help us too. In the end, the Earth might not feel our jump, but we'd feel something else, a sense of unity. The idea of 8 billion people coming together for a single moment working as one is pretty incredible. It's a small reminder of what we can accomplish when we act together. So while the massive global jump might not move the planet, who knows what other challenges we could tackle if we took a leap. Thanks for joining us on gravity-defying adventure. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like, comment and subscribe for more mind-bending what-ifs and crazy science scenarios.